Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm with Fleetistics, and today I'm here to talk to you about a GPS tracking device that can be used on motorcycles. It's a small unit. It is designed for heavy equipment, so it is extra rugged. It can stand the vibrations and the moisture that would be something that you would see on a motorcycle. It is small enough to hide throughout the motorcycle. It also has backup batteries, and you can see on this unit here, it is actually running on the batteries. This unit is not actually installed, but it is still functioning because of the backup batteries. If you're going to install this on this bike, what I would do is I'd put it underneath the seat. A, it's convenient. B, the seat is a locking seat. So all I have to do is simply remove the seat, remove a few items from the back part here, and I can slide the GPS unit into that back area, and it'll get good reception from the satellites in the sky, but also be relatively hidden and also protected by the locking seat. So if you're looking for a motorcycle tracker and you want something that's cost effective and not something that's going to be super cheap and fall apart in a year, contact us, take a look at the motorcycle tracker. You can also find it on our retail website, which is called anythinggps.com, and you can buy the unit and the service for a year, just one payment, get it over with, get it installed, and you'll track by logging into a website and going from there. So thank you, and we look forward to doing business with you.